Hey guys, welcome back. So, just want to do a quick update video on some of the stuff I've added to the website. It's not much, but it's a few things. And some Christmas cards that I have not mentioned in my last videos. So, let me do those first. So, the first one I got is from my friend Jason and Heather up in New Hampshire. Wolfboro, New Hampshire, to be exact. Been there before. It's a really cool place, and I love these guys. They're such good friends, and thank you for the Christmas card, Jason and Heather. Really appreciate that. And also, I got this one. This is my friend Skip Farrell down in, I believe Skip's down in Florida, but he sent a wild looking rat finkish Santa Claus. I don't know what that guy is, but he is mad, like crazy mad. He looks happy, actually. This stuff so reminds me of the things my dad would draw on the placemats of me and my brother and my dad would go eat. My mom too, and he would back when they used to like put placemats on the tables, he would bring a pen and he would draw us a picture on those placemats, and it would always resemble this. I never knew that it was like Ed Rothish, rat finkish. But anyway, that's the kind of stuff he would draw right there. But anyway, thank you, Skip. And while I've got that in my mind, I wanted to show you this, just to show you something about Skip. Back last year, 2022 Acme Southern Nationals, we've got this book here. It's the Fine Scale Modeler contest cars, and Skip, that's his truck right there. So Skip says combined a Lindbergh Little Red Wagon, a A100 pickup with dually fenders and four-wheel drive drivetrain from his spares box to create a unique work truck. I'm reading this through the camera. Sorry, I'm stuttering over my words. Wanting to build something unusual, Skip created this two-tone twist in just 3 weeks. I remember seeing that. Too cool. Skip got a magazine. Well, I guess while I'm in this magazine really fast, and it's the Southern Nationals, I'll also show you something makes me very proud. Is there's Ruthie's car from last year, her Chevelle, and hopefully she'll be in another magazine with her pumpkin wagon. But yeah, there it is. So cool. And then I got a Christmas card from my good buddy, Hobby Dude 007, Mr. Mark Batson himself. He and Miss Amanda are good friends. So thankful to know them. And Mark sent me this Christmas card here with the 40 Ford that he built for the first USAC build, and that was a really cool 40 Ford that he did. The back door was open. It's got a model bench and an air compressor and all kind of stuff, a little model that they're building in the back, so it was a very unique. So thank you for that. And just while I got this book open and we're looking at those, this is what Mark Batson had for the theme build last year, Radwood, at the Acme Southern Nationals, right there. And then there's old Tom right there too, Rambler 69. So, very cool. And I guess while I'm looking at magazines, before I get into this other stuff, I'll show you something else that really is super cool. So, Model Cars magazine, I got the camera at such an angle, issue 222. They have the South Carolina Modelers Association CKM Summer Classic. Man, that was a fun show. Can't wait to go back to that one. It was in Clemens, North Carolina. And I got in this one. And I got my blue driverless wheel stander in there. I thought that was pretty cool to actually have a car in a magazine. And yeah, thank you to Model Cars Magazine. That is really cool. And while I'm looking at this, make sure I don't see You know, there was something else I thought I had a car in. What was it? What was it? There was another magazine. I don't guess I know. But anyway, doesn't really matter. Where was that one? Where was it, Matthew? It was another. Anyway, regardless of the fact, I don't see it, so that's okay. All right, well, getting on with the actual purpose of this video. By the way, don't forget to go check out the ProTech products that I offer at mcvproducts.net. I just placed an order yesterday, so I should be replenishing my stock in just days. Charlie is very good about getting those orders out, and so you can get your stuff back in stock. So ProTech, find it at mcvproducts.net. And here for a few of my 3D printed items. Wow, Matthew, that's a lot. Actually, I know it's not. I just wanted to jump on here and show you some of the new stuff. I'm trying to add some weekly, just continue to add different things. But here are a few of the new items. I haven't even got this listed as of right now, but hopefully this evening I will. It's a steering wheel pack, 5 different steering wheels. These are on the tree still. They're just fresh out of the cure machine, but you got that one looks like an old Model T steering wheel. I don't know about that one, but anyway, there's that one. That's cool. That looks like that GT style steering wheel. There's the one that would have the chrome, very nice, and then there's a sporty 3-post or whatever steering wheel right there. So those will be up on the site and sell all 5 in one shot. Also, I got some fuel cells. I mentioned the fuel cells the other day when I was talking about one that I was using on my monster truck. It's actually going to be this one. This is the medium-sized fuel cell, and it's having a hard time very hard time focusing. So just a second, let me adjust that. All right, maybe that's better. So you got your fuel cap, got like some kind of lines at the top where I guess the fuel might go in or something. And then you've got the tubes where the fuel comes out. Anyway, that's the medium size. That's the medium size. And then you got the large. Same thing, it's just a little bigger. On the website, I have the micrometer on them, given the dimensions. But yeah, those are the same. So you got the small, medium, and large in those. And then there's one that's like a Pro Mod style that would go up front in a dragster. So you got that one there, really small. And also I've got, there we go, I've got some slapper bars. So someone mentioned, could I get slapper bars or traction bars, and I think that's what they meant. So there's the traction bars. These actually have bolts that I have them without bolts too. It just has holes. But these have the bolts and the bolt heads. You just can't see it on camera. It's just so darn little. But anyway, they're also hollow. So it looks like a real live traction bar. Didn't know those were live, but yeah, real live traction bar right there. So slapper bars, they're sold 2 in a package. And then the 1, 2, 3, 4 different sets of wheels here that I've got. I've got these Chevy Rallies. Now I've got to be very careful because the center, or the beauty ring, and the center cap is just laying there. But these are Chevy Rallies. I think these are the widest rears that I have. I think I can also print a more narrow rear tire, the front tire. These also have valve stems. See the valve stems? And if you want to know what it looks like without the beauty ring and the center cap, that's what it looks like. So it's a steely, you know, rally wheel. But anyway, it's pretty cool. It's got the Cooper Cobras. Those are nice. So got that. Front is much more narrow. So that's what that looks like. Anyway, there's your rallies. And then there's these 5-spoke. I don't know what you actually call these, like what name wheel that was or whatever. But anyway, cool looking 5 spokes. Now these do have valve stems, but this display model, I thought it was a piece of the tree left on it, and I just chipped it right off. But anyway, that's they both would have valve stems. So when you order them, they'll have valve stems in them. So again, I don't know what style wheel that is, but it's very cool. It's very 70s, or maybe late 60s, early 70s, mid 70s, late 70s. I don't know, but they're cool. And the front is a bit more narrow than the rears. So there's the width on those. And everybody had to have a set of solids. These were so cool to me when I was a kid. Just solids. I don't know what they're called. Centerline, maybe solids. But that little center cap is just laying there because it's separate. So I've just got it laying there just so I could show it to you. And the fronts and the rears on these are, the fronts are maybe a little bit more skinny than the last set. But anyway, yeah, those are cool. Those also have valve stems in them. Somewhere, there it is. Holy cow, that's little. Yeah, it's got a valve stem. So that's cool. And my favorite set of wheels out of all these. Hey guys, I know this is kind of different, but I forgot to film these during the video, so here I stuck these in the middle. I forgot about these cool mufflers that I have now too. So they appear to look like a Flowmaster or Dynamax or whatever, the two on the left. This one, and they have open ends on them. This one has the offset, so it comes in one side, goes out the other side. This one is the straight line muffler, and this one is the glass pack style. Now the glass pack is hollow all the way through, which is cool. Yeah, those are I forgot all about them. I just pulled them off the little trees, but I just walked out there and I was like, oh no, I forgot those. So also got these cool mufflers. So if you're interested in some mufflers, at this time during the filming of this video, they're not on there, but hopefully by the time you see this video, they'll be on the website. So you'll get 2 of each. And yeah, not 2 of each. So if you order, they'll be separate. So if you order this one you'll get 2, or if you order this one you'll get 2, or this one you'll get 2. Anyway, yeah. All right, back on. Is definitely these old slotted, those old aluminum slotted wheels. Those are so cool. And it's got Hoosier, like a street ET or something like that. So you could actually put this in a pro street class because it's got tread. Yeah, they're some kind of particular about that kind of stuff. But anyway, those are really, really cool. The fronts are the skinnies, and the rears are the biggest ones. Now I can also print more narrow set of backs, so you not necessarily had to tub it out too big. These aren't extremely wide, but they are probably wouldn't just fit up under a normal rear. But I do have I have another file where I can also print them without Hoosier. I have the smooth version. It still has the tread, but I can also downsize the width. But anyway, that's it. And I just wanted to jump on here real fast and do that. Just wanted to show you guys a few of the new things. Oh, this is how you may or may not get your wheels. Like here's the Chevy Rallies. I don't know if it would be easier to just ship them like that. That is so clean looking too. Wow, there's your beauty ring and your center caps, and that's a full set right there. So your tires, wheels, beauty rings, and everything. That may be the way I sent them. I don't know. And then here is a printed double set of the 5-spoke, and obviously I couldn't break that apart, so I'd have to take these off. So you may or may not get them on the trees. I haven't decided what is the best way to ship these things yet, because I do take and put them in bags too. I have been taking them off, but I don't know if that's the best way. Maybe some guys want to take them off of the trees a different way. I don't know. Maybe you want to clip every one of those things. I don't know. I'm really new to this stuff. So you may get them on the tree, you may get them off. I'm not 100% sure how that's going to end up being. But anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for all your support. You've overwhelmed me and Ellie with the website. It's been great, kept her busy, and it's just been really good. Thank you so much for all you guys that have done that for me. What else? Don't forget, as always, no matter if I'm advertising for my own website or not, I'm always going to throw Mark at Hobby Nut Models in here. You go over there to Hobby Nut Models, because you got to have some metal paint to paint these with. Go grab you some Alclad paint, maybe some Green Stuff World Chrome paint, or even AK. And then you need the rubber black from Tamiya, so you need to get that too. I don't have any of that stuff, so you got to go over to Mark at Hobby Nut Models and order that stuff from him. He's got everything you need to fix up your 3D printed stuff, paint it up, make it look gorgeous and awesome, and make your build just look beyond spectacular. So with all that said, guys, thank you so much for all you do, and we'll see you very soon. You take care. Bye.